question on story on Instagram. Today guys I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. First step is to open Instagram. Then when your Instagram is open and you go to your story, you go and you will add your picture that you want to add in your story. Then for example I will take a picture, then I will just for example click and go up like this, and then I will go to question, and here I will click, I will ask me a question. I will for example said who are the best, and then I will click down, and this is a question as you see. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like it, subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.